thing today. You know, the octopus have 3 hearts.
Of 3 hearts?
Yeah, octopuses. Is that a pluralized
I don't know,
version?
octopi.
No pussyfooting around that.
Yeah, I don't know. Eh?
Octopuses.
Of
Yes.
course.
I ain't pussyfooting around that.
You know what? James Bond octopus.
Octopus. I gotta
Yeah,
tell
of
you.
course.
Octopus have 3 hearts. That's enough heart, that you know. But then again, they have 8 tentacles, so they gotta.
They need to,
Yeah, we gotta reach out and touch somebody's hands. Make this world a better place if you can. Thanks to Haval,
it's been a good
to the
show.
Stewart Automotive team. It's been a good show. Big up to Jabari. And again, happy birthday to Paulette Brown. Love all of you. Remember, kindness is karma and kindness is magic. So be kind to yourself and be kind to others, all right?
That's right.
What you do today? Where you go? You do what?
Yeah, errands, run up and down.
Same. Christmas.
Oh, I have graduation picture for take. I forgot to take my graduation picture.
Oh, wow, that's hot.
Yeah.
All the current graduates is back.
Yeah.
Big up all the graduates. I love it for you. And everybody who's celebrating their bar anniversary.
Oh, yeah, it's that time of the year.
Yes, it's that time of the year. Mine is coming up, so you know how it is.
Yeah.
But love you guys. Have a great day. Thank you for choosing us, and we'll always choose you. Choose empathy, choose love, choose patience, and choose to have a beautiful day. Bye, guys. Bye. Moving.